Hey everyone, I'm Corey Michalek, driver of the Fun That Flip, Empowerment Alliance, and Wright Trailers A-Field Dragster. Welcome to Gainesville, Florida. Hey everyone, welcome to Gainesville. We're super excited to be down here. This is our first race of the year. We've got our whole team back in our third year with Fun That Flip and the Empowerment Alliance. Also our first race with Wright Trailers. Great partners standing behind us, and we're really excited to get our season kicked off. One of the things we're definitely most excited about is to welcome another new group of Fun That Flip guests to the track with us this weekend. Going to be hanging out with us in our pit and cheering us on from the stands all weekend long, and we're super excited to have that whole group join us once again. Right now, the plan is to go out, we'll make 3 test runs on Wednesday, get everything dialed back in, and then the schedule is as follows. On Thursday, we have our first qualifying run in the evening. Friday, have 2 qualifying sessions in the morning and the afternoon, and our first round of eliminations is on Saturday evening. Sunday, hopefully we're coming back for 3 more rounds of eliminations, and I'd be lying if I said that we weren't paying attention to the forecast, because as of right now, it's definitely not looking too great, but we're going to stay positive and hope that things end up working out and we're able to get all the runs in on time and get this thing wrapped up by Sunday. We're going to be posting a lot of updates on social throughout the weekend, and we hope you'll join us, and we're looking forward to sharing with you. Take care.